Kim Kardashian fans joked they have never felt so poor after a tour of her multiple walk-in fridges resurfaced online. The billionaire reality TV star, 41, has sparked a debate about much food and produce is ethical to hoard in one home, thanks to a Kardashian-dedicated TikTok account sharing a snap of the star's lavish walk-in fridges and pantries. Many internet commentators branded the mom of four wasteful and questioned what happens to the food when it expires, while others noted how the star's walk-in fridges are bigger than many rooms in a regular person's house. How many fridges does she need? The Kardashian fan account captioned the snippet online, where the mom of four can be seen giving a tour of her massive walk-in organic-filled fridge. "Guys, I have a walk-in refrigerator," Kim tells her fans in the clip, as viewers see shelves piled high with produce. "It's where we keep all of our fresh organic produce," the aspiring lawyer continues, as the camera pans to reveal fresh food items like apples, lemons, limes and other fruits adorn the shelves. Another shelf is jam-packed with healthy veggies like cucumbers, carrots and tomatoes. "We are building on the property, all organic trees to grow our own vegetables," Kim continues during the tour, as even more lavish food arrangements can be seen in the TV star's home. Pete Davidson's current girlfriend goes on to explain how she has shunned single-use plastic and show off even more shelves of food, with prepackaged sauces, bottles of juice and perishable dairy products all on display. "That's a whole restaurant-grade kitchen," one TikTok user exclaimed underneath the revisited clip filmed in 2020. "Yet so many people go without. Lovely greed you have there," one unimpressed social media commentator quipped. Many wondered what Kim and her household do with any of the food they don't consume before its expiry date. "I know they ain't going through all that food before it goes bad. I hope she's donating it or something because, shocked face," one of the comments underneath the TikTok post reads. Another mused, so what happens when half of the food spoils? Does it just get thrown out? Or do staff get to take home stuff before it goes bad?" A third commented on the environmental issues the multiple fridges cause, writing, "I got rid of all plastic in my house, but my house also uses the same amount of energy as a town of 500 people. SMH." However, some loved Kim's tour, with several fans describing the kitchen setup as aesthetically pleasing and noting how it was aspirational. While Kim's kitchen tour may be a throwback from 2020, the trainee lawyer more recently gave fans a tour of her new custom private plane before taking off on her maiden voyage in and of the Kardashians earlier this month. Stepping into the plane for the first time, Kim gave the Hulu cameras a tour as she highlighted her own personal touches to the custom decor. Kim told the cameras, "It's so pretty. I never dreamed I would own a plane. I wanted it to feel like an extension of me and an extension of my home. Do you have a story to sell? Get in touch with us at webcelebs@mirror.co.uk or call us direct at 0207 29 33 033.